Good evening, viewers. My name is Abhinav Sharma. Today, GD will be conducted by Raj sir, and our GD topic is arranged marriage and love marriage. So let's start.
Good evening, viewers. My name is Vedansh. I am going to support arranged marriage.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and I am going to support arranged marriage.
Good evening, guys. My name is Akansha. I am supporting arranged marriage.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Komal and I'm supporting love marriage.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohammad Farooq. I'm supporting. I'm supporting love marriage.
Good evening, guys. My name is Siddhant Sharma. I am supporting love marriage.
Good evening, everyone. I am supporting love marriage.
Good evening. I am supporting love marriage. According to me, first of all, I would like to say that marriage is the bonding of souls, whether marriage is love marriage or arranged marriage. I am supporting love marriage. So, love marriage, love is a blind because people in love they do not see the family background like social and economical status, and the couples knows each other most fully, and most probably they already understand each other fully, and the couples are that's all.
I partially agree with you, but according to me, I am supporting arranged marriage because when our parents see the things which in love marriage we can't see, we only see our love. In arranged marriage, we see background, how how is family, what the girl is doing, that we can know about that.
I partially agree with you. In my side, in love marriage, you will marriage on you will marriage of the girl, not a girl's family. So if you want to get married, so you will have to see the girl is understanding to you or not. So I think love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
I agree with you, but according to me, arranged marriage better option comparison to love marriage, because arranged marriage couples understanding compromise all the things. According to me, if you do arranged marriage, relatives, family and society, they all supportive and respect you. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, I partially agree with you, but according to me, love marriage is better than arranged marriage because in arranged marriage, everyone demands in dowry, but in love marriage, no one can demand in dowry because we know each other and his and her condition, he can give me dowry or not. So that's why, and in love marriage, we can express our feeling with our partner without any hesitation. So we can't feel shameless like how I express my feeling and how I say anyone to my partner. So that's why, according to me, love marriage is better than arranged marriage. Thank you. I have done.
I am partially agree with you, but in my view, arranged marriage is better than love marriage, because in arranged marriage there are our parents' experience and society cooperation, and there are no any problem of financial. Like if you do arranged marriage, then your parents are fulfill your needs, and in love marriage there is financial problem held after marriage, and in arranged marriage their parents find a better match for you, because the parents know what you like, what you don't what you dislike. So why we are disappoint our parents to do love marriage? So arranged marriage is better.
I personally with you generally see that love marriage the question of the dowry does not arise. The too many not because they are interested in some material gain. Love is the motive behind wedlock elimination of dowry remove the. That's my point.
Your parents giving you a lots of experience that what do you want, but they will choose better. When in love marriage you are choosing by yourself, but in arranged marriage our parents choosing our partner. In love marriage we can't see that these things. In arranged marriage we can see our parents who given us a golden opportunity to stand over here. So by my view, arranged marriage is better.
I think in love marriage, your partner will nearest from your heart. Like that, if you don't earn highest money, so your partner will adjust with you. But in arranged marriage, your whose wife has come to you, she will not how much money you will earn. So your wife how to adjust in your family. So in love marriage, your partner with you.
I'm partially agree with your point, but in arranged marriage we have a option. Like if any misunderstanding comes between the couples, then our parents are make understand to both, and the divorce chances are less in arranged marriage according to love marriage. So in my view, arranged marriage is better than love marriage.
I partially agree with you. In my point of view, in love marriage, there is no any casteism. They can go without castes. But in other hand, in arranged marriage, the couple's parents find same casteism. But in love marriage, there is no any casteism. That's all my point.
In my point of view, love marriage better than arranged marriage, because parents knows all the things like dislike, and arranged marriage arranged by our parents, or parents knows na क्या पसंद है, what do you like and dislike. That's why according to me arranged marriage better than love marriage. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, I partially agree with you, but in love marriage, we know about our partner very well. So, if you say anything like your partner, so you can say anything without any hesitation, and you can do anything. And but in love marriage, like the foundation system, like you can't do anything, like you have to do what I say to you. like the sas and bahu system. You are, but in love marriage, your partner will support every time and anywhere, every time and full life. So according to me, the love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
Okay, ma'am. I'm partially agree with your point, ma'am. But in arranged marriage, I'm partially agree with your point. But arranged marriage is not only marriage. Arranged marriage is a inauguration where our relatives, our friends, our colleagues, and our parents are involved, and they are enjoyed the inauguration. They are enjoyed the function, and our elders gives us blessings in arranged marriage, and this is not possible in love marriage. And there is a point in arranged marriage, financial condition. So in arranged marriage there is no any financial problem after the marriage, and in arranged marriage love is increased after marriage, not decreased. And in love marriage love is decreased after marriage. So in my view, arranged marriage is better than love marriage.
I partially agree with you, but in blessing and everything is add in both of the marriage. In love marriage, all these person do you have in relatives form and friends form. So every person helps to you. I do not say in love marriage you take girl and ran outside. I am telling you, in love marriage your parents you tackle that time. My father, I want to get married with the other girls because she loves me and I love her. So she knows me and I knows her. She understand me and I understand her. So why not we marry each other?
I am partially agree with you, but when our parents select that our partner, they only select they see that the partner is good or not, so they will select better for you, because they do not have to bad your life. So they choose your partner very well. They know how to choose your partner very well.
In my side, when the relatives come to you for getting married, so in half an hour's meeting, how to judge the person is good or not. But in love marriage, you know very well your partner because you spend more times with your partners. So but in arranged marriage you have the lack of the time. So in the less of the time, how to judge and how to measure the person is good or not.
First of all, I would like to say that arranged marriage is better than love marriage, because arranged marriage more successful, and arranged marriage long lasting. I saw many times love marriage is not successful. That's reason they against parents love marriage. That's why love marriage is not successful. Thank you so much.
I partially with you, but love marriage is better than arranged marriage. When you go for arranged marriage, there are many question inside your mind, how would your partner her linking and distinking. That's my point.
From my point of view, arranged marriage is better than love marriage because when in love marriage they do not give dowry. In arranged marriage they give the dowry, and nowadays dowry is so much important. You can see so many are asking dowry. So in arranged marriage they give us dowry. So from my point of view, arranged marriage is good.
In my point of view, love marriage is better than arranged marriage because the couples are knows each other, and a girl knows their parents. But other hand, arranged marriage, a girl who is married with a boy, she is not know their parents. She can't feel freedom. She is going to a place like a jail. That's all my point.
I'm partially agree with your point, but in arranged marriage, if you are doing something, then your parents are saying then he know what is right and what is wrong. So they are telling you do this and do not do this. So in arranged marriage, and the loves are increased after marriage then between couples, because they are enjoyed all the things after marriage who enjoyed in love marriage. That's it.
According to me, marriage is not the play of the children's. According to me, marriage is not the play of the children. So your parents make understand to you this is the right and this is the wrong. You are not the small child, because our government has select the age as after 18. So after 18, any boy and girl take good decision for us. It's not based on your parents and relative and another person. So also, if you want to marry with another person, so but your parents against with you, but you want to marry with her. So if you want to marry with her, the administration helps to you, but your parents against with you. So after my words, you have all these things if you want to marry with her.
Oh, I am partially agree with your point, but you said marriage is not the play of children. So that's why marriage is not a play of children. So we have to do marriage in guidance of our parents, because they have experience and they are also married. So arranged marriage is better than love marriage.
I partially with you. Love marriage and arranged marriage both have their own merits and demerits. As per my opinion, love marriage is better because her both the people get a chance and know each. That's my point.
In my point of me, arranged marriage better than love marriage, compared to love marriage. Better compared to love marriage, because if you do arranged marriage, couples, they are slowly understanding after marriage, and they respect our relatives and society, and his families. His families. That's why arranged marriage better than love marriage. Thank you.